How to turn off sensitive content on Twitter. Hey everybody, in this video, I will show you how to turn off sensitive content on Twitter. To start, open your Twitter application in your mobile device. Once you are now on Twitter, tap on your profile on the upper left. And then in here, select the drop-down that says Settings and Support. Then go to Settings. Once you are now in Settings, go to Content You See. The option should be available over here. However, it does not work on the app. So this time, let's open our internet browser. Follow the first few steps that we did. Go to Twitter, or twitter.com in this case, and then select your profile on the upper left and wait for the pop-up to appear. Once the pop-up is here, select Settings and Support in the drop-down. Now select Settings and Privacy. And then in here, the next step is to select Privacy and Safety. Once you are now in Privacy and Safety, select Content You See. Once you are now here, you can now turn on or turn off display media that may contain sensitive content. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you get some value in this one, so please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.